You make it using a plastic bag, and it's much better than store-bought. In a pan, add 50 milliliters of milk and 50 milliliters of oil. Let it heat until it starts to boil. In a bowl, add 250 grams of sour tapioca starch, 50 milliliters of milk, 50 milliliters of oil, add salt to taste. Mix everything well, break up all the lumps with your hands, pour the boiling milk and oil mixture over it and mix again. Add 120 milliliters of ice-cold water and knead until smooth. This is the ideal consistency. Now transfer it to a plastic bag. Use your preferred bag or a piping bag. Now pipe it onto the baking sheet. Bake at 160 degrees until golden brown. Look how amazing these tapioca cookies are. Quick, easy, and delicious. Make them at home. I'm sure everyone will love them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hug. See you next time and thanks.